Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love cooking rice and I never realized what a difference it made to have a good rice colander like this one from Paoli. This is a stainless steel double bowled colander. It has mesh on the insides of the bowl as well as the bottom. So it's really great for rinsing out your rice or any other food item before you need to cook it or just eat it. The bowl underneath fits in compactly and it's really easy to separate thanks to the lip on the outside, and the bowl itself would be great for mixing items on its own. Because it's stainless steel, it works great on an induction cooktop if you have one, and it's all food grade safe, so it's nice and safe to use. I really never knew how awesome it would be to have fresh rinsed rice. It makes such a difference when you cook it. And what's cool about this is if you're into making large quantities, they do sell a bigger size and they have other colors as well. Having everything in stainless steel is so nice. It feels like it's good quality. I really prefer this over a plastic mixed one. And I really, in general, just love this product. I'm super happy and it fits very compactly into my cabinet as well. If you're looking for a great rice colander, go for this one. You'll be so happy, and that's my point of view.